How to apply for a Discover credit card online. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, type down apply for a Discover credit card online and hit enter. There you will get to see the apply for credit card option available. Simply tap on it and navigate to the official website. Now here you can see various options available. All you have to do is scroll and apply on the one which you prefer. You can see all the descriptions and details written there as well. And once you find the one that you want to apply for, then you can see apply now option available right below the card in the orange highlights, and tap on the apply now. You can see there are various credit cards option available. Now once you tap on it, you will have to fill out your personal information and apply for that credit card. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.